How to post on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can post on Pinterest. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Pinterest app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Pinterest, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Pinterest app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, well, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. It's very simple to post your pins on Pinterest. In order to do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and you'll be able to see all these sorts of options. Just go to the one that says pin. Once you tap on the pin over here, you'll be able to see your gallery pictures. Now you can just go ahead and select the one depending upon your own wish and tap on the next button, which you see on the top right corner. What else you can do is you can give a title to your pin over here. So just go ahead and then give it a title. Once you give it a title, you can also simply say anything about your pin, which is basically a description. And as you've done that, you can also describe your pin's visual details and so on. And once you've done so, tap on the next button on the top right corner. As you tap on the next button, you can also save this to your board. Now you can just select any of the boards that you might currently have over here, and then you can select this and tap on any of the options. And now you can see that we have successfully created a post on Pinterest, and we have also added them to our board. So as you can see, it is live and public. And this is how you can go ahead and then create pins on Pinterest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.